Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIPS home school. This is Sonia Khanjoya, excellent teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morniship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 5 students. And our today's topic, chapter 10, topic 2 discussion. Look at the board my dear students. This is class 5, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies. Topic chapter 10, topic 2 discussion, and your lecture number 8 from 2021. Your teacher name me Sonia Khanjoya. This is my mobile number and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start out today's topic. Okay, this is chapter 10, topic 2. At home and at working place. At home and at working place. At home, we should reach decision by listening to each other's opinions. So at home we have to take any decision by listening to each other's decisions. All family members will discuss on different issues in order to take any decision along with the following tasks. So in a family member, all the family members will discuss on different issues in order to take any decision along with the following tasks. So following tasks are 3. Number 1, what we will eat, what we will do at festivals, what we will decorate our home. In these following tasks, in all family members will discuss on different issues and to take any decision in that following task. So this is a practice of democratic attitude. So this is practice of democratic attitude. So this is a picture, democratic attitude at home. So here is father, mother, brother and sister, all the family member will discuss on different issues and take any decision in their any type of home management following tasks. In the working place means a place where people work. People should consult with co-working at every level about issues that concern them all. So in all working place, people should consult with their co-working at every level about issues that concern them all. Then people will feel valued and will feel encouraged to express their values. In a working place, all of the working people will discuss their decision and take any decision. So people feel, so all the working people feel valued. They will feel encouraged to express their values. So their working place are very comfortable. In that way, if we take decision through discussion, different organization will be able to provide better service. If in a working place, all the co-working people if practice democratic attitude, so their working place provide better services, or co-working people will provide better services in their working place. For the democracy in our country strengthened means they are stronger. For that the democracy in our country strengthened, we have to remember that we all take decision through discussion and be respectful to each other. Bangladesh is a democratic country politically. So Bangladesh is a democratic country politically. So you have to memorize that Bangladesh is a democratic country politically. Democracy is the basic principle for governing the country. So democracy is the basic principle for governing the country. People have been struggling for long to establishing democracy. So we must defend and apply it at home, at school and at work. So we have to apply democratic attitude at home, at school and at work. So my students, these lines are very important because of the following tasks. and family members will discuss different issue to take decision along with these following tasks. What we will eat, what we will do at festivals, how we will decorate our home. So these three very important steps at our home if we will practice democratic attitude. At a working place, people should consult with working at every level about issues that concern them all. Then people will feel valued and will feel happy, encouraged to express their views. In that way, if we take decision through discussion, different organization will able to provide better services. For that, the democracy in our country is strengthened. So this line is strengthened. We have to remember that we will take decision through discussion and be respectful to each other. Bangladesh is a democratic country politically. So this line is very important for your question answer fill in the blanks and matching. Democracy is the basic principle for governing the country. This line is also important. Democracy is the basic principle for governing the country. People have been struggling for long to establishing democracy. So we must defend and apply it at home, at school and at work. So we must defend and apply it at home, at school and at work. So this is our today's topic, at home and at working place. Now our exercise number D. Here is a matching. Match where these democratic decisions are made. Match where these democratic decisions are made. Number 1, at home. At home there are two matching. At home, what we eat, and at home, how to furnish your house. So at home there are two matching. At home, what to eat, and at home, how to furnish your house. Number 2, at work. At work are also two matching. At work, office conditions and deciding what to manufacture. At work, office conditions at work and deciding what to manufacture. Number 3, politics. Politics only one matching. Electing a government. Electing a government. Again I am saying at home, what to eat and how to furnish your house. Number 2, at work, office conditions. At work, how to furnish, at work, office condition, and at work, deciding what to manufacture. And number 3, in politics, electing a government. In politics, electing a government. So my dear students, this is our today's topic. So my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood this topic. See you again, inshallah.